It's true that Angular developers are sought after, and successful Angular developers are even more sought after. Successful Angular developers are confident in job interviews and complete coding challenges with ease. They get the jobs they want, at the companies they want, with the salaries they want. What makes an Angular developer successful? Knowing how to write Angular code well and how to use its most important features to get the job done. Features like services, directives, RxJS, CSS, and pipes. Hi, I'm Tracy, and welcome to Angular at Work, where Angular development meets real-world application. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, our channel is your go-to resource for mastering Angular. Get hands-on with tutorials, deep dives into advanced techniques, and stay updated with the latest Angular trends. Join our community to sharpen your skills, tackle challenges, and transform your projects with Angular. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay on top of your Angular game.